A warm greetings to everyone. We are going to see a topic from the course Python programming. So here we are going to see a concept related to the concept of strings. Okay, so before going to the concept, we shall see what is in a string. A string is defined as a sequence of characters, and that characters are represented within the quotes or quotation mark. Okay, so that quotation mark can be either single quote, double quote, or triple quote. Okay, and also the character in each and every character in that string is accessed by using the index. That is, a number will be provided to each and every character in that string. Okay, and the numbers will be of integer data type. That can be either positive integer or negative integer, and the indexing will be starting from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, for example, if you have 5 characters, then the indexing will be from 0 to 5 minus 1. That is 0 to 4 values. And the indexing is shown here. So here we have a 5 character string HELLO. So the indexing will be starting from 0 to n minus 1. That is 0 to 4. Okay, that is positive indexing. And negative indexing, the indexing will be from right to left. That is minus 1 to minus 5. Now we shall see the methods. Okay, so method means it is a profession of providing various useful operation on string. Okay, so method is used to provide some variety of useful operation of to the string. Okay, so it is similar to that of a function. Okay, so it will be taking an argument, and to that argument the operation will be performed and you will be returned with a value. Clear? So here the syntax is you have to provide the string name dot and then you have to use the method. Okay, right? So here the form of this form of dot notation will be specified in the name of method. Okay, so what method or what operation we are going to do on that particular string is said to be the method, right? Okay, and the parenthesis which is present near this method. Okay, the empty parenthesis indicates that we are not passing any arguments. Okay, right? We are not going to pass any argument. Okay, so this type of method called is said to be an invocation. Okay, so we are invoking that operation over the string. Okay, so string will be having, in the string name you will be having some strings, and over to that particular string we are passing this operation and we are going to perform the operations. Okay, so now we shall see these are the different operations, or these are the different methods the string has. Okay, so these are the different methods the string has. Totally you have 23 different type of methods. Okay, so we shall see it one by one. The first one is capitalize. Okay, so here we have taken for in this session, for all the string operations we have taken the string name or the string set to be happy birthday in lowercase letter. Okay, so this capitalize method will capitalize the first letter in the string. Okay, so only the first letter in the string will be getting changed into uppercase letter. Okay, so here you can see all the letters are in lowercase. Once we are passing the string name to capitalize, the first letter changed to capital letter. So next, upper. Okay, so this upper method will be changing the entire string into uppercase letter. Okay, so in the entire string or the entire character in the string will be getting changed into uppercase letter. So next, lower means the string, entire string will be changed into lowercase letter or smallest small letter in alphabets. Then title. Okay, so this title means each character in that particular word. Okay, so each first character in that particular word will be changed it into uppercase letter. Okay, so here you can see the difference. Okay, the H and B in the string has changed it into uppercase letter, or it has been capitalized. So next it is swap case. Okay, so swap case means changing the characters vice versa. Okay, so if the string contains uppercase letters, those will be changed into lowercase letter, and if the string contains lowercase letter, that will be changed into uppercase letter. Okay, so here swap case means swapping or changing the cases of the letters vice versa. If it is in lowercase, it will be changed into uppercase respectively. Next it is split. Okay, so this split method will be splitting the words in the string into list of words. Okay, so it will, the split method will split the entire string into a list of words. Okay, so if you are passing two word string, that two word string will be splitted into list of words with two elements. Okay, the list will be containing two elements or two items. Okay, and here one thing which you have to remember is that particular two words has to be separated by a space or a white space. Okay, right? So if the two words contains an underscore in between, that will be considered as a single word string. Okay, so if the two words has a white space in between, that words will be split into a list of words. Next it is sender. Okay, so here it will be, what will it will be doing is, or what the method will be doing is, it will be making the string into sender, and in the front as well as in the back, the extra or the specified fill character will be added up. Okay, so the string will be changed into the length, or it will be, the string will be having the characters which we are specifying. Okay, so here we are specifying 19 characters, the newly created, or the string which we are going to create new should contain 19 characters. Okay, so within that 19 characters, the happy birthday string will be placed at the center, and at the front and at the back, the characters will be replaced by the star. Okay, so next it is count. Okay, so here we will be passing a substring, and we will be able to count the occurrence of that substring in that particular string. Okay, right, here we are passing the substring set to be happy, and we are making the method to count how many times that particular happy is being present in that string. Okay, so here only once the happy substring is available, so it is returning the value as 1. So next, replace. Okay, so replace means we can replace an existing set of word with a new set of word. Okay, so here what we have to do is, we have to specify the old substring, and we have to specify the new substring by which the old substring has to be replaced. Okay, so replace, then you have to specify the old string, and then you have to specify the new string. And join, right? So join, here what will be done is, the character which is given. Okay, so the character which is given will be concatenated with the elements which are been already available in that particular string. Okay, so here we are taking the value b, and that variable will be containing the value set to be happy, and here we are choosing a substring, right? So the substring is a, right? So here we are having, sorry, here we are taking the string set to be a, and to that string we are going to join the word happy. Okay, so string a contains the character dash, and that will be joined with the already available substring set to be happy, and this is uppercase. Okay, so here we are going to check whether the character in that particular string is in uppercase or not. Okay, right? So whether all the characters, okay, whether all the characters are in uppercase or not. Similarly, we have another one, it is lower. Okay, so it will check whether the all the characters are lowercase or not. Okay, so if it is in lowercase, you will be given with the boolean result as true. Next, alpha, right? So here it will be checking whether it contains alphabetic characters alone. Okay, so in this particular string, you would have think that it contains all alphabetic character. Okay, so but it is not true, because a white space is added in between the words set to be happy and birthday, right? So that particular white space is a special character. Okay, so it is not a complete alphabetic character string. Next is alpha numeric, right? So it will be checking whether the string contains alphabetic character and numerical value. Okay, but here we don't have any numerical values. Next is digit. Okay, so it will check whether the string contains only string. Okay, so but in this string we don't have any digits or numerics. Next is space. Okay, so whether the string contains only space, okay, or whether it is a empty string. Okay, so that will be checked here, but here we have some characters and a single white space. Okay, so it is returning the result as false. And here it is title. Okay, so it will check whether the string is in title case or not. Next, start with substring. Okay, so it will check whether the string starts with a particular character. Okay, so we have to specify a substring, and this start with will check whether that string contains this substring or whether the string start with this substring. Okay, similarly ends with. Okay, so here we will be checking whether the string ends with some substring which we are passing. And find. Okay, so here what will be done is, if you are passing a substring, it will return the index of that substring. Okay, so it will return the first index of that substring. Okay, right. So suppose if that substring is not available in the string, you will be returned with the value set to be -1. Okay, so then length. Okay, so the length method will return the number of characters available in that particular string, or length of that particular string. Okay, then minimum, right? So minimum will be checking what is the minimum or the lowest character available in this string. So here the minimum character is the white space. And maximum. Okay, so maximum will be returning you the which one is the maximum or the highest valued character. And these are the boolean methods. The explanation we have seen here, right? The method which will return you the boolean values, that is true or false, those will be coming under the method set to be boolean methods. Okay, thank you.